Iqiniso lithi yebo basasekhona those people who will genuinely be there for you when you need a shoulder to lean on, that will give you an ear mangabe ufuna ukukhuluma. You don't always have to go through it all alone. Yes, there are those people that will actually run to your rescue. There are those people that will actually give a hand la udinga khona usizo ngokweqiniso. And we need to learn to appreciate such kind people. If when you find yourself to be one of those lucky peoples where you find yourself ukuthi usasenabantu abanjalo empilweni yakho, we need to learn to appreciate labo bantu labo. We need to learn to show gratitude towards those people, because it is rare kulamalanga to find people who will not make fun of your situation, to find people who will not talk and laugh about your situation behind your back. So yes, if when we are one of those people that say, Mina, I have the strongest support system, and they will go all the way for Mina. Be thankful and know ukuthi abantu abanjalo yebo basasekhona, kodwa kunzima ukuthi batholakale la ngaphandle. So learn to take care of those who take care of you. Learn to be there nawe for those people that are there for you when the going gets tough. Singathi mangabe sebasizile and then we find sesizibona sengathi we are better than them.